Hey there, this is your English teacher, and today we are going to talk about 10 polite ways to say I do understand in English. So if you are watching this video, I assume that you know how to say I don't understand in English. But what if we want to be more polite when we say it? Well, there are many different ways to do this, so let's get started. No. 1. I'm sorry, but I don't understand. This is one way to show that you are polite when you are saying that you understand something. When we add, but here, we are giving a reason why we are saying I'm sorry. We are showing that our lack of understanding is not an excuse for being rude or impolite. Number 2, I must admit I don't understand. When we use must admit, it shows that we are giving our honest opinion. It is a bit more formal than just saying, I admit, but it also shows that we have thought about what we are going to say and that we are being very careful with our words. No. 3. I am afraid I do not understand. This is a very polite way of saying I don't understand. It is especially appropriate if you are talking to someone who is older than you or to whom you need to show respect. The word afraid means that you feel a negative emotion, but we only use it with I am afraid when we are talking about something that has already happened. Number 4, I don't follow. This is a very common expression used in everyday English. If someone asks you a question, you could reply with I do unfollow if you do understand what they are asking. Or if someone is telling you something, you could say, I don't follow if you are not understanding what they are saying. No. 5. Could you explain it again, please? This is a very polite way of asking someone to repeat what they have just said. We can use it in any situation, and it is perfect if we want to make sure that we have understood correctly the first time. Number 6. I'm sorry, I wasn't listening. If you weren't paying attention when someone was speaking, you could apologize by saying, I'm sorry, I wasn't listening. Then you can ask them to repeat what they said so that you can understand. Number 7. I'm sorry, could you rephrase that, please? When we use rephrase, we are asking someone to say something in another way. This is useful when someone is using very technical words or when they are speaking too quickly for us to understand. Number 8, would you mind repeating that? Asking someone to repeat what they have just said. This is a very polite way of doing it. And if we add, would you mind, it is even more polite than just saying, please repeat that. Number 9, I am still confused. We can use this sentence to say that we do not understand something even after someone has tried to help us. It is a good idea to use this phrase before asking someone to repeat what they have just said, so that they can try to explain it in another way. Number 10, what did you say? This is a very informal way to ask someone to repeat what they have just said. You can use it with friends or family members, but avoid using it with strangers or people in authority. Okay, now I'm going to give you a little quiz. Write down in the comments below one polite way you can use to say I do understand. And if you want to become fluent in English faster, don't forget to subscribe. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, bye.